Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon, guys and girls. Thanks for coming back. This is a ridiculously fast, easy thing for you to do on your lawnmower. So fast, I'm going to put this in my Fast Fix playlist, which if you guys want to see some other stuff that I got in that playlist, right up here in your information button. I got some other clickable thumbnails too at the end of this video, if you want to check those out. I'm going to put some other lawnmower videos in there, in case you want to check those out when you get a chance. Of course, check out my website, stevesmallenginesaloon.com, right here when you get a chance. So, here we go. You got a bale, you got a lever or a lever, whatever you want to pronounce it, that you pull before you start the lawnmower. It is connected to a cable that when you pull that lever down right there, it's pulling a cable that some people call, there's a lot of names for this cable. It's a brake cable, a zone cable, an on-off cable, a dead man cable, lots of different names for it out there. What that cable does is pulls your on-off switch to the on position, and it also releases a brake that clamps onto your flywheel up there so you can start the engine. Now, the problem is that where that connects right into this bale, this lever, you can put that in through two different sides. You can put it through that side like that, or that side like that. Now, you pull that bale down to start your engine. Look at that cable right where that connects. One side is going to have more stress on that cable than the other side. The problem with that is, if you keep bending that back and forth like that, have you ever taken a piece of metal and just started bending it back and forth like that? Back and forth enough times, pretty soon that piece of metal will break into two pieces. That's metal fatigue, and that is exactly what's going to happen right here where your braided cable goes right into this metal kind of S-bend, Z-bend piece right here that actually connects it to the bale. This lawnmower right here is actually not that great of an example for what I'm going to show you. There is a slight bit of difference on the stress of that cable from one side to the other on this one. Not really clear enough to actually show you guys. So I just went and did another bit of footage on a different lawnmower. So watch this. You put it through that side right there, and that is correct. You see when you pull that bale down, there's absolutely no stress on that cable right there. Now if we put it in the other side, through the other side of that hole, you can see now, you pull that over, and that's creating stress on that thing. It's bending that braided cable right there where it connects. You keep doing that over and over again like that, and it's going to do exactly what I said about that piece of metal. It's going to fatigue that thing. You're going to start getting that cable fraying up there, and it's going to break on you sooner or later. If you already broke that cable, guys, and you need a new one, I got a link in my description of this video. Check that out. It's for cables. The cable part number is written on the side of the cable right here. You can read that part number, and you should be able to figure that out from there to actually order a new one if you need it. But we don't want to order a new one. We want to make this one last as long as possible now, don't we? If you do pull that bale down and look at that cable, and there's absolutely no stress on it at all, it's probably okay. But if you want to go try it on the other side, simple way to do that is just to push the side of that bale out like this, so you can move that bale down and then get that hook out of there. So you can get it in the other side, and then just put your bale back on, same way you took it off right there. That's the easiest way to change that, because I know you can't get that hook out sometimes without taking that bale off. So just to recap then, guys, put the cable through the side of the bale right there, where when you pull it down, it creates the least amount of stress on that cable. I guarantee you that if you do that, you're going to get a lot more longevity out of that cable. It's going to last you a lot longer. There are some mowers out there where they're shipping them right from the factory hooked up on the wrong side. That's why I want you to go outside and check it right now. That is so fast, you guys. That is literally a one-sip job. Grolsch. What's that right there? Thumbs up button, guys. Give me that like button. Come on. I'm just trying to save you guys some money here. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and put some comments down right underneath this video. Tell me what you think. Till the next time, guys. Steve out.